What's up? It's me, presenting everybody with my brand new Nest thermostat. This thing is supposed to be pretty cool. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Basically what the Nest does is it's a smart thermostat. You can control, throw this away. You can control the temperature with an app on your phone, or as I do, I can control it with Google Home. Go ahead and crack this thing open. Check compatibility of Nest. Of course the compatibility is there. I wouldn't have bought it if it wasn't. Don't want to open up. There we go. There it is. Brand new Nest. Okay, pretty nice looking device. The manual. Professional installation. I'm gonna be the professional today. Installation guide. Should show me everything we need. You take your privacy seriously. Compatibility. Alright, so everything I need is there. It comes with its own screwdriver. Of course, the screws. Base plate. This is where all the wires go through here. Set them here. Once everything's set up, that's when you insert the Nest on top of it. This is a nice looking thing. It turns. I'm looking forward to using this. But yeah, that's everything in the box. Oh, never mind, it isn't. There's also a back wall plate in case you want to cover the, a good section of the wall. Yeah, this is the little hardware left in the box. I'm probably not going to use that because it stands out like a sore thumb. What would you rather see on your wall? Would you rather see this? Would you rather just see that? I rest my case. So now that that's ready, let's move on to the next step. We're gonna install this bad boy. All right, have a good one. All right, so since I'm about to work with some high powered electrical stuff, first thing I got to do is common sense. I got to turn off the breaker. 1 and 3. This is for the furnace. The AC is 13 and 15. Bam. That's the first step. All right, that's common sense. All right, common sense. So what's a cloths washer? The cloths washer. So it washes cloths. Interesting. But it's the first step. Alright, so here is the old thermostat. This thing is going bye-bye. Pretty simple install. Gotta unscrew these. Would have used my tripod, but it isn't tall enough. There we go. Got the G, the RC, the W, and the Y. G, R, C, W, Y. It's color coordinated. Who'd have thought? So the next part is to label the wires with the internal labels. Alright, so since all the wires are off, first thing I'm going to remove this W wire. This is all live, no do-overs, no retakes. Just kidding, just kidding. Get this wire from around here. There is the W wire. Hook this, label that. Then we have the Y/Y1 wire. Then we could take this plate right on off. I don't like this screwdriver. Honestly, a regular old butter knife will work better than this thing. That's so for real. That's what I should have did. I should have went old school and grabbed the butter knife. Or butter knife. I hate dropping screws. All right. So now we have the wires. They're present. And what's this? This little blue wire. This is what's called a C wire or a common wire. But why, oh why, was it hidden? Because the old thermostat didn't need it. That cheap thing. Who needed a C wire with that? So more than likely, because it wasn't connected here, I'd be willing to put money that the C wire is not connected at the furnace. But we'll soon find out. Come with me and let's see. Alright, so first we gotta take the furnace apart. This is not the part I'm going into. We actually have to go a little lower. Zoom in a bit. And like I said, everybody, I have never done this before. I am an amateur. I am not a professional. So here are the wires needed. Now, let's take a look. Matter of fact, let me take this off the tripod. Here are the wires needed. Lo and behold, this C wire is not even connected. So that just means I have to connect the C wire. And that's it. The installation guide says it may not be needed, but the C wire does provide the level of power, another level of power. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and install that too. So let's get ready for that. All right, package is secured. And that's it for the furnace part. And let's see how I put this back on here. There. All right, so the next step, got to mark where the screws are gonna go. So we set all the wires through here. Of course, you got to make sure everything is level. There's a level included right there. Perfect. All right. So now pull the wires through here. Then what we're gonna do next is start the screws. Now, let me get my screwdriver. All right, so it's time to my favorite part, the screwing. And let's be real, everybody likes to screw. And of course, I'm dropping screws all over the place. That didn't sound right. Get it just right. All right. Yeah. That one up. Yes. Perfect. Screw this one in. Perfect. And it's level. So they're good too. So, only thing left to do is connect these wires. C wire. This is my G wire. My yellow wire. My red wire. This is a tricky one to get in, but I make it fit. White wire. Dang, I never have trouble finding a hole. This wire's a bit too long. Be right back, gotta do a little something. Okay, had to use my wire cutters right quick. I should have put that on camera too. What I gotta do is get this white wire. Oh my goodness. There we go. Just had to push it through the wall a little bit more. And bam. In it goes. Perfect. Whatever doesn't fit, we press back into the wall. And the common wire, of course, is the long one. There. So at this point, connect the display. Bam. And that's how you install a Nest. So let's turn the power back on. Alright, so it's on. going to walk me through setup. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and enter my password. So I'll be back. Password entered. Thermostat is online. Everyone want to text me now that I'm putting on the thermostat. So you don't know nothing about that. Okay, I told y'all I was an amateur. I don't know nothing about putting in stuff like this, but forced air, temperature. Heat to say 70. Cool to system test. Yep. AC came right on, so that's done. And it turned off heating. And the heat came right on. That's what I'm talking about. came right on. I did that. Done. Nest app. Of course. Hey Google, set my heat to 68.
Okay, setting the
Just like that.
thermostat to 68 degrees.
Did you see that? You see that? So let's put it back to 70. Hey Google, no hands. Set my thermostat to 70.
Okay, setting the thermostat to
Didn't even
70
touch
degrees.
it. So yeah, this is gonna be convenient on those nights when you wake up and it's cold. You don't want to get from under those covers. The covers are feeling all lovely. It's too cold outside, but you know you got to get up. So now you can just tell the thermostat just to change. That's it. Google will take care of that for you. Home automation is the truth. I already got the lights set up. I got everything set up. I got the living room light, bedroom light, my son's light. The only thing I need now is a robot vacuum cleaner. All right? Peace.